Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF warns civilians wearing military fatigues. Sanapita mashoko ari kuda panapa achitaurwa naNick Mangwana, mukomana umozi wekuti aiwa ndiye anoshowa nekupa an official communication vakagara munyika yeZimbabwe achiti aiwa maZDF vakomana vemilitary they are warning aiwa civilians anouya achipfeka military fatigues. Noti subscribe like on the bell icon tipinda panapa paendo yake zvamuri kuona Nick Mangwana muda nyora chiti the Zimbabwe Defense Forces further note with concern the continued misuse of military uniform by some members of the public. The public is advised that according to the Defense Act, the abuse of military uniform is an offense which prohibits and criminalizes the wearing of military uniform by individuals who are not members of the Defense Forces. Section 99 2C of the Defense Act, Chapter 1102 further states that any person who without authority wears or uses any decoration supplied to or authorized for use by any member of the Defense Forces or other military forces, or any decoration so nearly resembling such decoration as to be likely to deceive, shall be guilty of an offense. Members of the public are therefore urged to desist from acquiring or wearing any items of military uniform or apparel resembling such. Those caught on the wrong side of the law will be prosecuted. Ndomashika nyuko panapa na Nick Mangwana apanapa zvati kunoti vanhu vakanyanya kuona Bomshogeza makamuona in his address anga akapfeka aiwa this military gear. Panapa ari kuedza vamwe citizens kunzi aiwa yes we know kuti you are planning to protest, kunyange the government isati approve ma 31st protest. Panapa ari kuachiti mukapfekawo panapa military gear muri kuvhaleta mutemo and the government is ready to prosecute them. Mashoko ari kuda panapa anyorwa naNick Mangwana zvamuri kuona nemaletters avari kupublisha ayo. Tiudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.